So John, what do you think about the Forex Mastery Live?
Dude, it was amazing. It was a lot to learn. The first few days, 2 days I guess, was a little, my brains were kind of coming out of my ears, a little confusing on a few things. But then day 3, man, really kicked in, and I got really good control of what's going on in the chart from every time frame, knowing exactly where the market's moving and how to, get in at the right areas to make money. So I feel great about it.
Okay, perfect.